Hello, I'm Carlton Collins. In this presentation, I'm going to demonstrate PowerPoint's newest feature that allows you to morph one object into another object. In this example, I'm just going to use a simple couple of images. So let me copy those images and paste them over. I've got a red car. I'll put it up in the left-hand corner. And then I'm also going to copy a blue car, and I'll put it up there near the red car. So now I've got two images, and this will be our starting point. The next thing I'm going to do to this slide is I'm going to go to the Transitions tab, and I'm going to choose the Morph transition and apply it to that slide. Now that I've done that, I can duplicate this slide. So we'll go to the Home tab, New Slide, Duplicate Selected Slides option. And so now you can see that I have two of the same slide. On slide 2, I'm going to reverse the cars, switch them around so that it's on slide 1 it's red-blue, and on slide 2 it's blue-red. And this will give us a pretty simple morph. So now the thing to do is to go to the Editing group on the Home tab. And under the Select option, we're going to choose to display the selection pane. So now you can see I have 4 images, 2 on slide 1 and 2 on slide 2, and this is the important part of this trick. I'm going to take the first car on the first slide, which is called the red car, and I'm going to give it a new name. And then my example, I'm going to call it exclamation point car 1. And then I'm going to go to slide 2, and I'm going to select the blue car, and I'm going to edit that name as well. And I'm going to use the exact same name, exclamation point car 1. And this is how PowerPoint knows which object to morph into the other object. So let's do the opposite on the other 2 images. We'll call the blue car on slide 1, exclamation point car 2. And then on slide 2, we'll call the red car, exclamation point car 2. Once we're here, we're done. The only thing we have left to do is to run the slideshow to show you what it looks like. So I'll run the slideshow, and here we see slide 1. When I click, you can see them morph into slide 2. If I go back, you can see them morph back and forth. Slide 2, and then slide 1. And that's it. That's the new morphing capability. Previously, PowerPoint only allowed you to morph one whole slide into another whole slide. And you could do some tricky things with that for sure, but this is a little bit more powerful and gives you a little bit more control over the effects you're trying to achieve. Thank you.